Okay, I was going to surprise you guys and tell you about a special edition type of waterfall, but on my way to my starting location, I've already seen a couple waterfalls on the side of the road, which I've captured. Something that you normally don't see, but we're getting a lot of rain right now. We're getting mudslides, we're getting washouts, but I'm on a special mission today. I'll fill you in a sec.
In your words, you told me only your goals, yeah. You told me.
Well, here's a little bit of the secret. I need some special equipment for today's waterfall hunt. A lot of you guys don't know I'm actually a professional level skier. I've coached skiing for 2 decades. I raced for a half a decade. I'm back into competitive skiing. But I'm in skiing shorts today because Sunshine Village has some waterfalls, I'm sure of it, and they have skiing in June and July. Well, it's really weird to have my ski bag. I'm going to be getting into the gondola. And check this out. I guess there's not going to be a lot for waterfalls. This will be fun to show you my adventure today. There's a lot of water coming off the mountain. See it? That's a waterfall in here. Waterfall in the trees there. Sorry, it's so foggy in here. It's actually foggy outside because we're going through the clouds. Take my word, it's a waterfall. I usually ski down that. We have a moving waterfall smile. I'm going skiing in June. Weirdness. Well, I'm going to show you around. This is a big trip. There's the Super Angel. There's the top of the gondola. There's the lodge. There's a waterfall. Let's go check it out. Well, here's a waterfall smile at Sunshine Village. Try to get the sea can out of there. I ski down that. It's actually a pretty steep run and get pretty icy. I never knew it was a waterfall. Now I know why it's called Waterfall.
Advice. Wonder when it starts to rise. I'll be there.
Yeah, I'm skiing in shorts. I'm the only person here skiing in shorts today. I think everybody's kind of afraid of the snow. I doubt I'll fall. But I am having a riot. I have skied here in my underwear. I'm not going to ski in my underwear for the sake of the video, but we're having fun. This guy's ripping too. Carver up, buddy. Okay, Waterfall Hunters Skiing Edition. Check this out. I got my skis on, and I got a waterfall. Where is it? There it is. Waterfall smile.
waterfalls. You gotta stop and help the people that wipe out. Well, let's take you guys for a little run, just a little blue run. It's hard skiing without poles though, to hold the boom. You need to get an Insta 360 like everybody else out here. That's how you bang out a blue run. Well, I got some waterfalls today. And I got some runs in today. Got some topless skiing in today. I'll have that. Been there, done that.